New generation XINYUAN C75MG four-wheel excavator. Equipped with Yuchai F30 high-performance engine. Max power 48千瓦，每2200转每分。Equipped with next-gen electronically controlled hydraulic system. On-demand energy supply based on operating log. Fast response speed, good controllability, higher efficiency. Family-style exterior design, newly designed undercarriage, beautiful and functional. Wraparound rear counterweight protects the body, prevents collisions. Equipped with a 200 large-capacity fuel tank for longer endurance. A variety of original attachments available, easily unlock more working scenarios. Multi-purpose machine, saves time, effort, and worry, creates more value for you. Reliable quality lives up to your trust.